Hello, it's William from Fine & Country and welcome to this splendid new listing that will be coming very shortly to the market, which is Owl's Roost here in Chalacombe, a semi-rural location about 20 minutes outside of Barnstaple. This property is 4/5 bedrooms, detached, sat on approximately 3/4 of an acre with split between front and rear gardens. As you can see, gated entrance with parking for multiple vehicles, and there is opportunity for a historic garage to be resurrected back to its glory. But while we're here, come and have a look around. This is truly a unique home and offers so much potential for the right person. If you'd like to find out a little bit more or book your viewing slot, please call Fine & Country Barnstaple today and we'll be delighted to book you in. Thank you.